So good evening. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Jamaican style barbecue baked chicken without a barbecue sauce. I make my own sauce. So anyway, right here I have chicken that has been cleaned, the skin removed, and it has been washed in vinegar and cold water. If you like to keep the chicken, the skin on your chicken, you can. I take mine off just because I don't like it. And then in my juicer, but if you have a blender, I'm going to blend up 2 cloves of garlic, half of this without the seed, Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, 1/4 of a piece of onion, some pimento seeds, allspice, about a spoon of jerk seasoning, Jamaica's jerk seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and put in 1 packet of this and some adobo and a spoon of white vinegar and blend it all up to season the chicken. Okay, I'm back again for part 2 of the Jamaican style barbecue baked chicken without barbecue sauce, as I said, because I'm going to make my own sauce. But here in the previous video I showed the seasonings that I blended up, and I just went ahead and put a little bit of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, which if you watch any of my previous tutorials you'll see that seasoning. So I just put a little bit on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in all the stuff that I blended up, all the seasoning that I blended up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use my hand and kind of toss the chicken around. And then I'm going to put this in a baking pan and put it in the oven, 375 degrees, for about 20 minutes, sealed with foil paper on the lid for 20 minutes. And stay. Here I am back again with part 3. The chicken is halfway baked. I'm going to take the juice that has built up in the chicken since being in the oven with the foil paper on it. And I'm going to add these ingredients in to make my sauce. I'm going to add first a spoon of jerk seasoning. I'm going to add a tablespoon of molasses, which is very thick. I'm going to add about 2 spoons of honey, and some ketchup, and 1 1/2 orange squeezed, and mix all this up together. And I'm going to come back and show you how I coat the chicken and put it back in the oven to finish baking. Okay, this is part 4. So now that the sauce has been made, which is was shown in the previous video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take each piece of chicken and kind of coat it in the sauce and put it back in the pan. After I do each of these like that, I'm going to go ahead and put the pan back in the oven on 450 degrees uncovered and let it finish baking for about 20 more minutes. And then you take it out and you should have nice golden brown barbecue chicken made in a homemade sauce. Stay tuned.